So today we're talking about the Reebok Club C 85s. These are becoming somewhat of a staple in the fashion community, and since getting these I can see why. These are somewhat of a timeless and versatile shoe. You can wear them in a smart outfit and they go great with streetwear as well. If you're thinking about getting these, you are going to get incredible quality and at a fairly reasonable price compared to most shoes these days. For under $100, these are an absolute must-have. They're great for hot weather and cold weather. They've got a little bit of a fair coat on the inside to keep your feet warm, and they are incredibly comfortable. Hence today I'm just going to be showing you some of my favorite outfits that I like to wear with these. Obviously these are not the only ones, but hopefully this should give you an idea of what you can wear it with. So first up, we've got an outfit that I actually featured on my TikTok. A little bit more of a smart outfit. We've got these brown straight fit trousers and a green sweater. You'll see a little bit of a theme throughout the video on the colours that I'm using. It's mostly brown, black, cream and other neutral colours. Although these do give off a pretty strong vintage look, these can definitely be worn in a smarter outfit. So for the next outfit, I'm not changing much. I'm literally just changing the trousers for some blue straight fit jeans. If I did have access to some, I would like the jeans to be slightly more baggy, but unfortunately I don't own any. But I still think that this looks pretty good. This could definitely be worn day to day, or if you're going out for a meal or somewhere special, it'd fit pretty well. As they are quite a low shoe, I feel like they'd look pretty good with some tapered trousers as well, and maybe slightly cropped. That's something I'm looking to explore in the future. Now the next outfit is sort of smart and it sort of isn't. I'm just going with the blue jeans and then what would be considered a smart shirt over the top, but I've left the top couple of buttons undone and rolled up the sleeves for a more casual look. Coming up to autumn and winter, this may not be the best outfit, but definitely in summer when the weather's a bit warmer, I feel like this would look great. So next up, I am sticking with the jeans again. This is apparently my favorite thing to wear with these shoes, and I'm adding a white t-shirt that sits a little bit higher. I don't like to wear sort of slim fit jeans with a baggier white t-shirt. I think it looks wrong. And then if it does become a little bit cooler, which is most likely at this time of year, I am adding this Belstaff puffer jacket. Obviously this is just an idea. I'm not expecting everyone to own the exact same jacket as me, but it's just another example of an outfit that these shoes fit into nicely. And for the fifth and final outfit, we've got something a little bit similar, but instead of a white t-shirt and a jacket, I'm actually starting off with a black turtleneck. This is sort of smart casual and it keeps you pretty warm as well. I've worn this a few times already and I'm really liking it. And then if it is even colder, you can add a black puffer on top, which makes it look a little bit smarter. Obviously, a lot of these are just pretty basic ideas and you can mix and match colors. There are plenty of other outfits that I could have shown you, but we wouldn't have time if we went through all of them. So hopefully you took some inspiration from this video, and if you're thinking about getting these shoes, I would definitely recommend it. And if you follow me on TikTok, you'll probably be seeing these a lot more in videos coming up. Other than that, I've got nothing more to add. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.